Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we are going to see how we can change the data type, how we can replace the values, and how we can rearrange the columns. So for that, I am importing one Excel workbook here. If you are new to Power BI and want to learn how we can connect data from different data sources, just go back to the previous videos and have a look to them, right? So here I have selected Excel workbook, clicking on connect. Select the Excel workbook you want to connect and click on open. You will be finding all these data sets in the link given in the description. You can check that, right? Here you will see all the data, all the data tables you have. So just click on the table name and you will see the preview here, right? To select this table, just click on this checkbox and click on transform. A Power Query editor window will open up here. First thing we need to do is we need to unpivot other columns here. So I am clicking or selecting first column, transform tab, and you need to unpivot other columns, right? Just to rename it, you can double click on the column name and give the name of this column, press enter. Other way to rename the column is just right click here and click a rename option, then here year month, right? Here just double click and type the name, press enter. If you see here, we have uh, this 1.2 written here. So this 1.2 is the uh, data type we have. So just to change the data type, just click on this here. If you see, 1.2 is assigned to decimal number, but for amount we have currency, right? So we need to assign it to the currency or fixed decimal number. So this dollar symbol is assigned to fixed decimal number, which means it is in currency format. So I will be selecting this. It has been changed to dollar currency, right? Now the year month column, you will see that 2014 year M01. So this is 2014 month year and month 01. So if you change the data type of this column, you will see an error. So the second way to change the data type here is just go to home tab. You will find the data type here under the transform options, right? Just select that and you can just change the data type here. If I select date here, you will see one kind of error, right? So to revert back to that particular change, just click on cross here. Under the applied steps, it will be revert back to that particular original column, right? Now for that, I will be replacing this m with comma. For that, you just need to select the year month column and go to replace values. Here just type m that we need to replace and comma just we need to replace with, right? And click on ok. Now you will see that this m is being replaced with 0. Now just we can change the data type here. Just you can go to abc, click on it and change the data type as date. You will see that it has automatically taken as first day of the month, first day of the month, first month, and 2014. First day of the month, second month, and 2014. This way we can change the data type. To rearrange these columns, you can just select the column, drag it, right, and just place where you want to place it. I am placing it at the end. Right now year month column is present at the last. Now you can select the amount column. You can drag and place it wherever you want to place it. Second method of rearranging is just select the column and you will see a move option here, right? You can move it to left. It will be shifted to left here. Now just again select it, move it to right, it will be moved to right. You can again change the data type to fixed decimal, right? It will be changed to dollar. This is the way you can change the data types of it, correct? And to load the changes, you can click on close and apply. It will start loading your changes to Power BI desktop. Once these changes are loaded, you will see the table here, table name here, and its columns.